I'm Klaus Mochalski. I'm the founder and CEO of the company. I have a technical background myself, so I still work with lots of customers. Rhebo is working in the field of cybersecurity for OT infrastructures, and what we build is an anomaly detection system that detects suspicious activities in industrial infrastructures to avoid cyber attacks.
All right. So you said like OT infrastructure. Is it infrastructure in the sense only of like power and water and wastewater, or is it overall the industrial automation infrastructure?
In theory, it's overall the industrial automation infrastructure. That's also why we are here. Okay. But to be honest, over the past 3 or 4 years, our business focus has really been with the energy and utility sector, mostly due to the legislation. So the IT security laws in Europe, they have mandated many of these companies to deploy intrusion detection systems in their OT environments, and this has been a significant part of our business over the past years.
Okay, thanks. So anything specific you show us here? And the second question is, you were engaged in presentations and workshop and the like. What did you show there?
Yeah, absolutely. So here we're just showing our general solution. We also have a piece of hardware with us that always attracts interest. But in general, the theme for our session here, especially for the presentation, was services. So we are a vendor. So we build a software product. And for many, many years, we focused on trying to sell licenses of the software. But we always ran against the problem at our customers that they were lacking the resources, capabilities, and experience to run a cybersecurity monitoring solution. Okay. And this is that's when we started offering services. And this has turned into a real business for us. And now this has become an integral part. Okay. And many of our customers today actually sign up for a product and a service as a bundle. Okay. And today in the session, I talked about the challenges that we see at our customers during our service interactions, and I showed a bit of our findings and experiences in the different customers' infrastructures.
And when you talk services, is like pure like this traditional aftermarket services, or is it cybersecurity as a service?
In essence, it's cybersecurity as a service. So we always offered service around our product, so product support services, but here we go beyond this. So for every new customer, we always do a security assessment using our own products. And the results from these assessments, they form the basis of a long-term deployment. And then many customers get into the resource issue, and this is when we help with a service contract. And today, most of our service contracts, they are tied to our license contracts for the software. And so they are usually bundled. And with many customers, they are support services. So the customers, they stay in the operational role. They operate our system and look at the dashboards, but we help them with regular review sessions. So once a week, we spend 2 hours with a customer going through all of the security findings over the past 2 weeks, and we help them assess what's going on and what the remedy might be. With some customers, and the proportion here gets more, we also become a proactive service provider in the sense that we are operating the system, and we look at the dashboard. Our analysts look at the dashboard that shows the data from a certain customer.
So you make sure that your customers can sleep at night.
Exactly. Yeah. We still need them. They're not off the hook because it's OT, so it may be a physical penetration in a plant. And of course, if we observe this by monitoring the infrastructure, we still need someone at night who we can call and check out what's going on in the substation. Exactly. So it always requires customer engagement and customer support, but at least the technological part, the security analysis, this is what we can take over and where we can help our customers.
Excellent. Anything you really liked at the forum?
Well, for me, the best thing was we were here as a sponsor many years ago when we were still focusing on the manufacturing industry, which in the meantime has been somewhat forgotten by us for the reasons I explained, but this business now seems to be revived At least for us, that's what we're seeing. And for me, it was great that I met many acquaintances from the past. So many people, many companies still know Rhebo, and so for us, it's kind of a fresh start in the industrial manufacturing sector. And it was a very good forum to really get in touch, re-engage with these people.
Okay, so I think we'll see next year again, right?
Definitely.
Okay, thanks, Klaus.
Thank you very much.